Hi guys, welcome back to PC Error Detective. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to take ownership of a folder in Windows 10 so you can easily manage your files and permissions. Step 1. Open the search bar on your taskbar and type in File Explorer, then click on it. This is where you can browse all the drives and folders on your computer. It's important because you need to locate the folder you want to take ownership of. Step 2. Navigate to the folder you want to take ownership of. For example, go to this PC, then your C, Drive, open Users, and click on your username. This helps you find the exact folder that needs the ownership change. Step 3. Right-click on the folder you want to take ownership of, like the Downloads folder, and select Properties. This opens the folder's properties where you can adjust security settings. Step 4. Go to the Security tab and click on Advanced. This gives you access to detailed permissions and ownership settings for the folder. Step 5. Click on Change next to the Owner field. This is where you can assign a new owner to the folder, which allows you to control who has access. Step 6. In the new window, click on Advanced again. This opens additional options to select the user or group you want to assign ownership to. Step 7. Click on Find Now and look for Authenticated Users in the list. This shows all the accounts that have permission to access the folder. Step 8. Select Authenticated Users and click OK. This sets the selected users as the new owners of the folder. Step 9. Click OK again to return to the Advanced Security Settings window. This confirms your selection and prepares the folder for permission changes. Step 10. For every entry listed in the window, double-click on it and make sure full control is enabled, then click Close. This ensures that all users have complete access to the folder. Step 11. Click Apply and then OK to save all the changes you made. This finalizes the ownership and permission updates for the folder. Step 12. Restart your computer to complete the process. Restarting ensures all changes take effect properly and the folder is fully accessible. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.